Hi, it's Angie, and I'm back for a video, just a quick short video, just to see how this is going to work. And maybe this is old news and people have already done it and I'm just late to the party. But I have this tray that I use just for demo purposes and to put stuff on in my craft room. And I really wanted to put my little logo, Tink's Treasures, on here. But the vinyl I have, so I have this pretty gold reflective vinyl, but I didn't have any pink or glitter pink in the vinyl. So what I have is the HTV version, and I'm going to try that with my heat gun and see how this looks. So I've already went ahead and I have it a little crease right here to show me where the halfway point is. I guess I should do it the other way too. And I'm going to put the HTV on first, just so that the other vinyl doesn't get damaged with the heat when I put it on. Otherwise, you'd want to put this on first so that it shows where to put your second layer and you can get in all the little intricate pieces, but we're going to do it backwards for this. So right about, and I've already marked my tray. So roughly right there. Okay, so it's already starting to curl up, so I'm sure it's ready. It's warm to the touch. In fact, this one may be too much. I'll let that cool. Okay, the tea could have come out better, but it is what it is right now. Everything else looks really good. And then the same thing, I made marks just to show me where halfway is so that I get it centered. And if you're doing this for the first time, um, make sure you pull away the backing of your transfer. And this little piece doesn't want to stick, so I'm going to go back and burnish him down. Okay, really this line here is throwing me off. It's probably fine. Although, where's my eye? I see, it didn't come off. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we'll save that. And then when you pull off, you want to pull back at a 45 and kind of wiggle it back and forth. Okay. All right, so there you have it. Putting HTV on glass. If anything here, I may not have, if I were to do this again, not just hold my heat right here so far, so close, make quicker passes. But the rest came out fine. And I could tell when it was done, when it was starting to curl up. So, all right, there you have it. Just a quick video showing the use of HTV on glass or porcelain, whatever this is. Okay, until next time, thanks. Please give this a video a thumbs up, help the channel out. Until next time, thanks. Bye.